How to install Voicemod Voice Changer on your PC. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily install the Voicemod Voice Changer application on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to google.com, click on the search bar and search for Voicemod, hit enter, and you'll see the voicemod.net. You can directly go to this URL. I'm just going to click right here. So you have this big shiny button to download. So you can either click here or here. It does the same thing. Now you'll be prompted to log into your account first. I already have created an account, so I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Then click on the account that you want to continue with. Now, once you are logged in, if the download is not automatically started, you could just click here to start downloading. And now click on download unverified file. If some files are not protected, your PC will not automatically download them. So I had to manually force it to download. All right, so once that is done, just go ahead and open this application up. And now once you run this installer file, click on yes, and a setup wizard will appear. So on this window, choose your language. And I'm just going to go with the default. And click on next, click on accept, tap next. Select the file location where you want it to download, tap next again. If you want, you can create a desktop shortcut or a quick launch shortcut. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a desktop shortcut for now. Click on next, click on install, and now just wait for a bit. It will automatically extract all of the files from the installation file and start downloading. And once the application is done installing, you can easily launch it after finishing the installation. Wait for a bit and it will automatically launch the application. As you can see, the application is now starting and you can easily start changing your voice and making mods to it. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically install the Voicemod application. I'll catch you guys on the next one.